DJ, thank you so much because DJ when you were because Nandi issue where Enugwu-Agu as I had to go read Hachi and Baluna High Table. They are here to come is ready with the entire family, but especially the head of the family. That's the first son of late Nicholas Anieke and Ichie is the title holder when he was alive. Thank you so much. Ewer style, with Guinness, there were so many, there were more, there were G. I now see them none. Thank you so much. As you come, God bless you. Thank you. Somebody has to speak. Who is going to make the statement here? Are you the one? No, Dalo.
I'm make it when I saw because Cassiano, no Bassatata. You don't know for the about the shoe bag. Obido, Obalagona. I want the bed she with her. No good. And though you never do that, the wash it die. Mama, that die why? Eh? Most of us here don't know you. As so, the men, the people you are seeing here, except this man, they don't even know how in person, including me. But I'm almost 50 years old. Yes. So, here about I get water. Because all the men water will be okay. If not, there were more advanced faces you would have seen today. But because of that, we've come to this level. Yes. Yes. George Wetan. He's late. Godwin, he's late. They are all gone. I know you know them. And everyone had the so because Shama, Cassian, Enugu, Yamarunu, Metatai, or Bunji, why that? I have a room, and I know why. And make a room. Because you don't know what I have. You know? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Afam go Prince Emeka Ikwemi. I'm Enugwu-Agu mana. So I know na zone no be late chief Joseph Igbenage and then the first Igwe of Amokwe. Ya no eba na emebo nlote owo ogumwoke late Chief Nicholas Eneh. Oya kai no I be alta I see Enugwu-Agu mana we. So late Chief Nicholas Eneh yeah, be him my senior sister. So I na kere Chineke to you bless you no never. When I see Chineke, okwu man in charge you be here. Ka ga ji we make me when na ya ne kai na keke chichigo ka bia. Say
thank you sir.
The mother-in-law na na boy good. When they can okay what can I say that Eneh. Honor Gazi, gorgeous Christmas, everyone on the high table. Thank you so much, sir. I think we can let Ichie and Nicholas and Anieke funeral. The condolences are going on. Chief Anieke from Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My brother, salute you, sir. Oh, 1 year wide, oh, we can make the Bundy one out, Bundy one out of Neighbor, who got one for no way, don't cable, open cable, neighbor. Cosmos, the one, Arabia. Be very careful. Who do have him mix ego? Ego candy, one candy, Cosmos. Thank you so much. They were Darren Rene. I feel could now pass a good number. I may say, Ugachale Burugano. I want to know if you and the beauty Maya. Where's Sunodalo? The picture, the Wampo family. The picture from the great Wampo family, the Arorene. God, thank you. I have forgiven your wife for this. The Wampo family right here at Amokwe, Enugwu local government area. Thank you, sir. Behind the make it up on our condolence. I believe was naive let Ichie Nick Eneh of the blessed memory. The Wampo family, the no packing. Thank you so much. God bless you. Because he will leave with you.
Because Ndokuni is from Anambra State in Agricultural government area. I graze the Chuku as a village, by Siga, Nanambra. So I said, I acquired Ogai Woku. Nicholas, no, he had my Emelone, a Magai, or Fia Kaina. I was a Kaibia Mezula or Manana, Kakosi, I Kaiji better. West Kaibia, whether Maya, Aquana, JP, Maybe I got a bit. West Kaibia me, Odesia. I said, Kachineke, Nanambulobia, and the banana Jesus.
Because Mr. Cosmos, I chop him will leave with you. We never tend to go give you. Thank you.
I know can no. No number about buy. No. I know can no from. No. To go zone.
The family of Mr. Cosmos Eneh, so pleased to receive his in-law from Anambra State because now for Jesus Christ. Thank you so much. DJ, pump the volume of the music as we control the fortune. The immediate younger brother of late Igwe of Etiti-Obelago, now of Etiti-Obelago, light, I don't see it now. Chief Linus Okwem. Okay, like they say, no check. My
name is Mansu Ongo. I came from Enugu to pay my friend homage for the burial of his father here in Amokwe, Udi, Enugu State. Enugu State. It's a pity we lost that. I saw his daddy when I visited him here like 5 years ago, and we drove that back to Enugu for some medical treatment and what have you. Eventually, he told me he lost him. So I came to commiserate with the family and to wish them well. People living, children are meant to bury their father, and he has done exactly that. Thank you.
Hey. My name is Francis. I'm a Cosmos' best friend, childhood friend, and I'm here from Lagos. I'm here to pay what I call a condolence and a remembrance visit to Amokwe, where the father comes from. We lost his father some years back, and today we are having a remembrance of Daddy. And Daddy has been a wonderful man. And I remember when we were together in Lagos, this man that gave us what we call a virtue, and that virtue is honesty, and he's a gentleman, perfect gentleman. Daddy, we miss you, but we are here celebrating you together with your family that you left behind. God will continue to bless you and make that passage a very smooth passage till we meet again. I'm here, as I once said, all the way from Lagos. I bring good tidings to the good people of Amokwe, Udi local government of Enugu. Thank you, and God bless every one of us. Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Going to be seen with the hands of the Lord. This is how it is, and by the special grace of God, we have a cause to celebrate this age-long anniversary of a man that left so many legacies. The children, they came in all the way from the United States, Minnesota to be precise. And when you come to USA, a country I love so much, Minnesota is one of the decent cities in the annal history of the United States. You know, United States, they have 50 solid states, but each state is guided by law, rules, and regulations. But Minnesota is highly dominated by the whites. So the American people recognize, appreciate, and respect those people living in Minnesota, USA. So if you are privileged to be in America, just try and visit Minnesota. If you stay there, you're going to be in the midst of the whites. This is not a state where the police will harass you as a black, because they turn around things to see that you are 100% close related with the whites. So that's the thing. But the problem right now is now that Donald Trump is calling on board anyone from now, when the visa to America, is it going to be very possible? We put it under prayer. Because they did say that Nigeria should go back and develop their country. The thing lies in our leaders. Because most
my late brother, Nicholas Eneh. Now we are Obonia, the person of Cosmas, and Oyema, no Dempa, Empire on now. Okay, with the miracle of God, blessings. Anieke dem nwa Chineke dị iwe tụọ ya dị tụọ ya mma anyị na-ekelekwe ndị ọgọ m ndị ukwu nye ndị be ekwe the great ekwe in exact local government o nwere oke mmadụ si ebe wee pụta oge anyị na-adị ọlụ nwanne ya nwanyị Caroline ọ mụ na Kathleen na-akpa ka nwanne na nwanne so onye na-akpa afịa bụ Emeka the junior brother to Kathleen, late Kathleen, exactly, late Kathleen. So onye ekenekwa Emeka rinne na nkwado ọ na-akwado wasi bie na-agụ ya inu a na-atụ si na ọgọbụchi oye o gosilie ebe ezinụlọ ị na-anye ka obodo ịkpa ebe a ka igwe the first and only igwe ọkwa Amokwe tuwe Nkube close wedding on Oyibo says don't stay more than you're welcome. So, walk a while. Okay, we'll tell them what they live. If they live on Longa, we're going to go to Anieke. If they live on Agamiru, Umakaketa na Mawoke, Ego, you get with yourself. If I live all about Ife, Makezuno now, if what dress, I'll buy never Zuno no. I'm a Ife Kunya. If I was born, nna m tiri ọzọ Agụ oke mmadụ John the Baptist. I think I should come back. I should come. Nne ya ekene onye ọbụla ndị ọbịa anyị ma ndị Anambra ndị be Nwankwo family from Anambra a na-ekele fara nne oke mmadụ mkpọfa wee bịa ezi ọgọ obi na ya na obi witi nwanyị Ogechukwu ka mma fighter in Lagos obi m ju na-awele oge fụfa wee gwa fada tinafọ akwa awa aka ha na-akwọ ha na-akwọchati aka